everyone, and welcome back to Bryan Holden Studio. My name is Mason Holden, and today we will be looking at Continual Equinox. For 2 days a year, the entire world experiences total balance and equality. On other days, we need to work and think how to create our own. Yes, life is not always fair, and it can be very challenging at times, especially when you are alone on your journey through life. When we work together, we can accomplish many great things, overcome great adversity, and form a wonderful, strong, and flourishing community. The arched shape represents the strength a community can have when everyone is working together from day to day. With each connection cable being of equal length, it symbolizes the importance of everyone contributing something to maintain balance. The colors of the cables represent the equality of lightness and darkness, and how we are all peacefully connected to one another, while the circuit boards are a symbol of crucial, mindful thinking. It is said that the United States of America is the land of opportunity, and opportunities are there for everyone to seize. But sometimes you have to work for them, and with others, to earn them. When you become involved, opportunities often present themselves. With will, take full advantage of that opportunity, and then work to turn it into another. It's your world, your community, and your life. Believe in them. Make the most of them. Continue to learn from them, and then teach others to do the same. Thank you all so much for watching Bryan Holden Studio. I hope you have a great day. God bless. Goodbye.